call my lawyer up here. I'm just kidding, man. You better not be recording this, eh? Get my agent on the phone. Anyways, welcome to coldwarmotors mail time. Hey, we should do that, eh? We should do a mail. Yeah. What's that?
That'll be fun.
I can't hear you.
Send down 3 packages and 1 milk bone. And here they are.
Oh!
Sweet. Can't believe it. Okay, this one, and again, just so everybody understands, in random order. We may have received this last week, we may have received it a year ago. So we're going to try and do a little more of the opening of the mail because...
Well, so tonight I came by and I didn't realize that the mail hit higher than I was, and I thought, maybe we should do a mail.
How high are you?
6'2", and how high?
Okay, tall.
Oh, yeah.
This is from Don Smith in the Netherlands. That's insane.
That's cool. I'm glad.
Thank you, Don Smith.
Thank you.
Before I even... Oh, look it.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. 1930.
Series of large pictorial volumes on the countries of Europe, beautifully produced and lavishly illustrated. Let's just have a quick lookie. Oh,
wow.
There's so much motor car racing in here. Like, look at these guys, eh? Like, we think we're cool when we go to the store.
These guys
are like running these.
We're actually...
Look at, eh?
We really kind of suck now, eh?
Yeah, well, I didn't run the Targa Florio in 1927, but this guy did. And then we sit here in our scuzzy little junkyard and we get gifts like this, which is just amazing. So,
awesome.
Thank you so much.
That's a treat.
I cannot wait to read it.
Happy.
And I do read all of this stuff.
And Frager's
What a treat. What an absolute treat.
What a great book.
You know?
That car you were building.
Oh, and there's a note.
Oh, that's a note.
And there's a note. So, and there's it looks like a postcard as well. For the attention of the staff of, sorry, I'm like now nearsighted and short-sighted and far-sighted.
I know. A few in there, I'm trying to...
Just like, okay, ready? For the attention of Miss Francine Polishing Mop. That's you. No, you probably should stay away. Chief Road Tester, Vehicle Inspector, Classic Tire Chaser, Stick Shaker, and Standard question mark. Menace of the Coldwarmotor Company. Well, see? It's not just me. You actually are the menace. Dear Frankers, here's a book of bedtime stories which someone can read to you. From a secret admirer who is looking forward to your antics in 2022. Hey, Frankers, that was very nice. Say thank you. And look at it comes with a fantastic poodle. Look at the poodle. There. Thank you so much. This is from Sheffield, England. It looks like Sea Walker. Fantastic. Okay, Mr. or Mrs. C. Walker. It's a metal lid. Dun dun. I'm going to speed it up. We're going to read like English is in fact my first language. But I'm going to be, I'm a squinter. Scott Frankers and the agent, sorry for the delay in sending this package. But, oh, these is a Rover P5, what? And I'm not making fun of you, Craig, because my writing is shit too. I'm not...
yeah. Hold the phone.
Oh, keep coming. Thanks for your great videos. There is the Clubman 10-inch hubcap. Oh, a tape my mate Tony round these. Oh, here, it's from Craig. Oh, of course, Craig has written us before and donated things before from Sheffield Cortina Center. Yeah, and then it says Tony at Midnight Classics. Oh, it looks like something for Al. Man, it's too bad Al's not here. He'll be excited.
What? Oh my
He loves this kind of thing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Minis are Al's thing. Wow, on behalf of Al, I'm sure he's going to just love it. I'm going to send him a picture right now. Thank you guys so much. How cool is that? And thank you for the very kind note. Sorry that your handwriting is... It's still better than mine, don't get me wrong, but it takes a certain amount of time that we just... Oh, great. This is random Rover parts. Rover? That were in a box marked Rover. Anyway, we will find out because every piece is off that car.
Woo! Maybe.
All right,
And Rover stuff
very
is
cool.
very up there on the list. All
There.
these old cars from the foreign countries are so beautiful. And so is Franker's.
It's very kind. And we got one more. This is from Kevin Fitz.
USA.
I won't say what it is, but it's some things that came in the mail.
From Washington.
And he's in Seahurst, Washington. It looks like it came around Christmas. It was a Christmas card. Well, thank you guys.
Cut me out.
Mr. and Mrs. Fitz, you guys are very, very kind. Okay, that's just for us. It says Merry Christmas. And, you know, it's funny because in
It's
10
Christmas.
more days, we would be actually the furthest day from Christmas. It even says to you too, Dean.
Oh, go.
It says, Dear Scott, Francine, and you too,
Oh,
Dean.
yeah. Thank you.
It is something that we look forward to each Saturday. Enclosed book is from my brother-in-law whose family owned a Mopar dealership for 3 generations.
Guys are
Well, you guys are obviously too kind. Oh, are you for real?
Oh my God, some darts material.
Look at how cool that is.
Oh, dart.
It's a bar mat for Camel cigarettes.
If
It's
you-
fantastic. Hey, bar mat, Camel cigarettes.
Great. Look at this man too,
This
eh?
is crazy. Look at
Wow.
this. Oh my God. There's International Automobile Parade, 1967. Oh, I don't like this kind of thing at all. Hey, this isn't my
Oh
thing.
my God.
It's so cool that even if you never opened it, it's fucking cool.
That's like the Citroen.
Are you ready?
Yeah, that's so cool.
Are you ready? Are we gonna open this?
Like a beautiful
Okay.
French.
You ready? Look at that.
Oh.
Oh man.
Oh, I love old cars. Oh, what?
This whole book is
It's
every
sweet.
1967 car, the whole lineup, right? Is that I agree?
Yeah.
We agree that that's what that is. Here, let's have a look.
Okay, probably.
Like, look at
Old
all
cars.
the various historical.
Old cars.
The first Chrysler 300.
Wow, nice car.
It's an alphabetical index of every car, I think, that was available that year.
1967.
Okay, have
were
have
teasing
you ever
me.
seen Try Not to Headbang? We could have a game where I show you pictures of cars and you try not to react at all.
My-
Okay?
Okay.
You're not allowed, you just pretend that you're looking at a blank piece of paper, eh? Let's just see. Okay, how's he doing there?
Oh,
You suck at this game.
so sweet. Like, look at
You
them.
don't play a lot of
how can we-
21.
I
do you?
know, but how do you? I can't. Is it a Citroen du Chevaux
Look at this.
in the wintertime and snow? And getting
Thank you
Christmas
guys
tree.
so much. What a
Okay.
treat. Yes, I forgot again that this was sent in time for Christmas. And, of course, you know,
Skid down again. Yeah.
look at that. That is so nice. That has gone to the right place. That'll go in the VIP lounge. And, can you guys believe it? Flat 50s of Lucky's.
Sick, eh?
Very cool.
That's the way-
That's
that's-
nice
oh.
classic dart stuff.
That's like Vietnam stuff almost. Maybe older.
I love that you guys have embraced classic darts.
If you could write in and tell
I
us.
just love the idea that we tried to make the worst show possible, and now people see enough value in the nastiest show we could make,
It's so cool.
and to join us in the darts journey.
I really love
the
that.
journey to antiquity.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Are we wrapping her up then?
That's my
Wow,
battery.
thank you guys so much. That is such fantastic mail.
Yeah.
And I don't
Thanks.
know what to say. We're scum.
We should probably.
We're scum,
It's like, yeah.
We don't deserve all these nice things. You know, if you actually took the time to write something out,
Yeah,
I mean,
like-
that means a lot. I mean, it's just.
That would take me
You know.
months, man.
And what is that? Where'd you get that with the garbage? What is that?
Oh,
There. What are you doing there? Bring it here,
Hey.
please. It's too loud.
Why
You're
you
just
do
too
that?
obnoxious. Thank you.
Hi.
Yes, okay, I'll just
Such a
go.
great.
Well, at this point, it's the Franker Show again.
Oh yeah, so we're signing off, I guess.
We're signing off for me and Dean. Okay, we're gonna put away this, and then we're gonna do the weather real quick.
Oh yeah, we should do the weather. Yeah.
Let's do it. And Dean, take us through it.
I think what's happening here tomorrow here is gonna be Thursday, the June of the 16th. I'm pretty sure it is. God, I hope I'm right. Anyway, it's going to be, so some showers in the morning there, it looks like, and then a bit some clouds there in the afternoon. High of like 23, I think it was. I mean, yeah, I could be wrong, but that's kind of what I was paying attention to. If you can believe that.
Fuck's sakes.
Yes.
Dude.
Yes.